My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm just gonna go straight with my face, and I'm just gonna prep my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray first of all. And then I'm gonna blend it with my sponge, and then for primer I'm gonna use my Benefit the Professional Face Primer. I'm just gonna place that to my entire face, mostly on my T-zone, and just pat it on and then spread it out. And for foundation, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and I'm gonna use two shades, 110 and 120. I'm gonna place the lighter shade to my center of my face, and then to the darker shade to the outer part of my face. Then I'm gonna use my kabuki flat brush to spreading it out, and then afterward I'm gonna blend it with my sponge. Also blending to my neck. And for the cream contour, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer in shade Cool Tan. And then blending it with my sponge. And for the nose contour, I'm using an angled small brush, and then blending it with the sponge. And for the concealer, I'm gonna use my Flormar Perfect Coverage Concealer in shade Medium Beige, concealing my center of my face and also to the bottom of my cheekbone. And then I'm gonna powder my face. I'm gonna powder my whole face with my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in shade Light. I'm gonna take a break, sip a coffee, and then I did my eyebrows off camera. Save time. And for the eyelid primer, I'm gonna use my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20, of course. Then I'm blending it with the concealer brush, of course. Then I'm just gonna zoom you guys in. And I'm gonna set my eyelids. And then I'm gonna take that shade, light shade or the highlighter shade from the e.l.f. Contour and Highlight palette. and also highlighting to my nose and also to my tip of my nose. And then for the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use my Morphe 3502 palette and taking that shade, first shade for the crease, outer crease, and I'm using a fluffy brush, a blending fluffy brush.
Rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking.
I'm taking this small angled brush and also placing that same shade to my lower lash line and really blending it in, mostly in the outer corner of my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take this shade or to deepen up a little bit more the outer corner of my eyes and then blending it as I go. And then I'm gonna take this shade because I wanted to have a small reddish eyeshadow color, a reddish color to my eyes. It doesn't even make sense. Just gonna place in it using the same brush. And then blend it again. Blending some more, blending. And then I'm gonna take that shade or the highlight shade from the elf palette. I'm gonna place it to my brow bone, also blending it, also blending the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna take a small brush and placing it to my inner part of my eyelid. And then for the liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna use my Essence Super Last Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in black. I'm just gonna do a slight thin eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go back to that shade to add even more of that shade. You will notice that I will go back later again to the end of the video to get my lichens, and then I'm gonna pop my false lashes. And then I'm gonna add more of the second shade that I use, placing it to my crease and blending. And for the mascara, I'm gonna use my CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara in black. Just gonna blend my real lashes into the false lashes. Into brightening up my inner corner, I'm gonna use the Balm Mirror Luminizer highlighter, and I'm using a pencil brush for that. And for bronzing my face and contour, I'm gonna use the same elf palette and mixing the two color, and also contouring my nose. And for the blush, I'm gonna use my ABH. And for the blush, I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetic 10 color blush palette and mixing those two shades and pop it to my cheeks. Blending it. And then for the highlight, of course, I'm gonna use my Mirror Luminizer highlighter to glow everything. Just make sure to blend the highlighter. And also I'm gonna pop that to my nose, the bridge of my nose, into tip of my nose, into my cupid's bow. And I'm gonna use this brush to blend everything. And for the lip liner, I'm gonna use my Essence Ultra Last Lip Liner in shade Rosewood High. It's a nude pink, just lining my lips. And for the lipstick, I'm gonna use my pastel pink. I'm gonna use my pastel nude lipstick in shade 541. Blend that in. And for the waterline, I'm gonna use Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in shade Miss Money Penny. Yeah, and just popping that to my waterline. And of course, setting my eyebrows with the Essence Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara. And we're done. My first video of 2019. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And yes, thank you.